the given user ID, the given user ID. Okay, what is the next condition, boss? Whether the given user ID is equal to 0 or not, that's all. Or based on the user ID, you must display a root user. Okay, based on the user ID. Suppose if I provide a 0 here, definitely I would like to display root user. Hey, you are a root user, that's all. Suppose check the second condition. Check the second condition in the with the multiple conditions. Okay, yesterday itself something called first condition, something called just VC second condition, first condition. Sir, what should I write the first condition? Yes, check, check, check the given user ID, the given user ID. Okay, what is the next condition, boss? Whether the given user ID is equal to 0 or not, that's all. Or based on the user ID, you must display a root user. Okay, based on the user ID. Suppose if I provide a 0 here, definitely I would like to display root user. Hey, you are a root user, that's all. Suppose check the second condition. Check the second condition in the sense what? Check the given user ID. This is second user ID. So for suppose if I am giving 0, yes, this first condition satisfied and you will be getting the root user. That's all. You will be getting the output as the root user. This is the first condition checking. So what about second condition? Why should I check the second condition? Why should I go for the second condition? Because I am not entering 0. No, I am entering some other value called 1000. If I enter the 1000 value, definitely you must display, hey, you entered 1000 value. That's why you are a EC2 user only. That's all. That means what? The first condition fails. That's all. If I enter 1000 value, the first condition fails. The control comes to the second condition. The second condition will check. Okay, if the 1000 value is equal to something, yes, definitely you will be getting something called output EC2 user. That's all. If not, else if, that means what? లేనట్లయితే, if లేనట్లయితే మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలా? ఈ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయాలి. దట్స్ ఆల్. if the first condition is not matching, if the first condition is failing, then we must check the second condition. Okay, for that the first condition purpose we must place if statement, if afterwards if statement along with the prefix with if, else if, that's all, else if. But instead of writing else if, the bash people is writing something called L if, that's all. SC removed, boss, that's all. SC removed. Else if, instead of writing else if, they are writing something called elif, that's all. We must check the second condition with the help of elif, else if. లేనట్లయితే ఈ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయి. ఉన్నట్లయితే ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఓకే, లేనట్లయితే సెకండ్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయి. సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్, display this one, that's all, over. But a second condition is not satisfying, then what should I do? Else. Oh, else, only else, else, only else. Write the statement like, hey boss, you are a normal user, that's all. Okay, that means what? Other than 1000 users, nothing but normal users. Sir, just I am checking something called root user, EC2 user, normal user, that's all. I am not checking the condition with something called system user. No, just now slowly, just please try to understand subject first. Okay, sir, how can I write the statement, sir? Simple, very simple. For friends, observe carefully, friends. First of all, shebang line or shabang line, that's all. Okay, bin bash. That's all. First statement. Afterwards, try to read the user input. To read the user input, we write something called read hyphen p, enter, enter something called your user ID or something called ID. Enter your ID. That's all. Colons. Okay, colon. Afterwards, double quotes. Afterwards, something called USE or underscore ID. That's all. Underscore ID. Like this. This is nothing but what? Variable name. Okay, variable. This is nothing but a memory location. If I specified like this, if I define any variable in this place, an operating system straight away going to RAM. Oh, RAM. And inside a RAM, yes, they will create a one memory location. This is one memory location. That memory location name is something called user ID. That's all. Oh, this is main memory? Yes, main memory only. Okay. After executing this program, the data will be erased from this place and this place will be deallocated. That's all. The memory location will be deallocated. That's all. This is temporary storage purpose. So whatever the data a user is entering, the user data will be storing inside this place. This is called a memory location. This memory location we are calling as a variable. This memory location is referenced by this user ID. That's all. That's why we are using variable. If I declare a variable, yes, immediately the operating system comments a picture and it is allocating some memory location inside a RAM, main memory. That's all. Main memory. Once the execution completes, operating system deallocates this memory. Allocation and deallocation of the memory can be done by operating system. That's all. Memory. Everything will be done by operating system. But operating system main assistant is what? Kernel. Kernel is the first number one. Kernel is a main assistant. Without kernel, operating system cannot able to do its tasks, its duties. That's all. First one, second one. Inside our college, inside our home, there are so many people are working in different rights. Same way, operating system, using the kernel and shell for doing different kinds of activities inside our server. Okay, so okay. Okay, sir. Okay, definitely we'll understand all these things, but we must understand the variable. Okay, to store our data temporarily. Temporarily purpose, we are using this temporary memory location. That memory location we refer as a variable. That variable we are providing a name. That name is user ID. That's all. User ID name. Sir, why you are writing user underscore ID? Yes. If I write user hyphen ID, definitely it is a fail. It fails, that's all. User hyphen ID wrong, yes, wrong. Invalid, yes, invalid statement. Oh, variable declaration must be something called user underscore ID. That's all. Okay, you must not use even number also. Number means what? 5, 6, 7, 8, something. No. The variable name should not start with the number inside a bash script. The variable name should not start with 56, and a variable name should not contain hyphen symbol. That's all. The variable name should not start with the number. First one. The variable should not contain a hyphen symbol. Second one. The variable the variable must contain something called ampersand. No, sorry. Something called underscore. Hyphen is different, underscore is different. Okay. Yes. Okay. Once you read this data, you are placing this data into some memory location. That memory location name is user ID. That's all over. Simple. Now, afterwards, boss. Okay. Afterwards, please write the if condition. If if something called if, okay, square bracket, dollar symbol. So just to use this user ID. That's all. User underscore ID. Hyphen equal 0. Equal 0. That's all. Now just write then, then. Sir, should I write then, sir? Yes, definitely you must write then. Echo something called, yes, you are a root user. That's all. You are a root. That's all. Over. Okay, suppose if you are entering 0, definitely this condition will be satisfied and this will be printed on the terminal. But if you entered other than 0, this condition comes to next place. The next level is what? Again, if condition. Again, write one more if condition. In this if condition, I'll check something called 1000 value. Sir, how can I write this if condition, sir? Elif, ELI. ELIF, elif, that's all. Not if, EL, elif, else if. Elif means what? Else if, that's all. Else if. Okay, instead of else if, we are writing elif. SE is silent, removed. Okay, afterwards, elif. Okay, again, we are checking one more condition. Okay, with the same variable, that variable name is user ID. Okay, is equal to 1000 value. That's all. Equal to 1000 value. Okay, then what next? If the value is equal to 1000, if the given value is 1000, yes, then print this statement. To print this statement purpose, use echo. Okay, you are a EC2 hyphen user. You are a EC2 hyphen user. That's all. Over. So now afterwards, boss, suppose if you entered 1000 value, this will be printed. But if you are not entering 1000 value, else, only else, sir, only else. Okay, else, just echo, you are a normal user. That's all. Over, sir, over, that's all, over. So in a second condition, we are checking with something called 1000 value. Okay, if the given value is 1000, this is second condition. Condition number second was, if the given value is, equal to 1000, this will be printed. Oh, first statement will be printed. No, 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 no. If the given value is not equal to 1000, if they provide a 1050 user ID, then immediately the cursor comes to the else block. Okay, the else block statement will be printed on your screen. That's all, over. So if the condition satisfies, first statement will be printed on the screen. If the condition is not satisfying, else block will be displaying on the screen. Else లేనట్లయితే ఇది ప్రింట్ చేయి. ఓకే, మీరు గనక 1000 వాల్యూ ఇస్తే కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, మీరు గనక 1000 వాల్యూ ఇవ్వకుండా మీరు 1050 లేదా 2000 అనే యూజర్ ఐడి మీరు ఇస్తే వెంటనే నేను ఈ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ప్రింట్ చేయను. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఐ కెన్ ప్రింట్ ది స్టేట్మెంట్ అండ్ దట్స్ ఆల్, ఓవర్. So this is what flow, this execution flow. Yes, you must understand the execution flow. First point, checking the condition number one. If the condition number one fails, come to second condition. If the second condition is also fails, hey, straight away it is telling, hey boss, you are a normal user. That's all. You are a normal user. Just for understanding the flow purpose, just something called understanding decision making statements, we are taking this kind of examples. Okay, just if you understand this one, definitely you can understand, you can write advanced bash scripts. Otherwise, no. Basics are very, very important. But most of the people not taking interest of learning basics. No, very, very important. Basics are very, very important. Sir, if I execute this statement, okay, if I execute this statement, what happens, sir? Yes, your output will come. That's all. Okay. Sir, okay, no problem. The first point is equal to 0, first condition. The next condition is equal to something called 1000. Equal, EQ, equal, that's all. Equal to 0. Sir, there is any space like yes, equal space, that's all. Write equal, afterwards give some space, afterwards write your value. Okay, this is a hard-coded value. Oh, hard-coded value. Yes. Okay, we'll do, dynamic values, no problem. Okay, sir, good. Now, write down the statements properly. Yes, friends. Friends, go to server. This is our mission server. Yes, afterwards, sudo -i, afterwards, ls. How many programs? Bash scripts 8. Now just take nano script 9.sh. Press enter button 99. Okay, right. Afterwards, something called bin or bash. Oh, bin bash. Yes, bin bash. Afterwards, something called read -p. Okay, enter your ID. Enter your ID colon. Afterwards, yes. Okay, yes. Afterwards, user underscore ID. Okay. Afterwards, something called if statement. If dollar user underscore ID. Okay, user underscore ID equal 0. Now, then if user ID is equal to 0, then what should I do? Is print echo something called you are a root user. That's all. Close. Afterwards, suppose the user is not entered 0, then what should I do? I can check one more condition. For that, just use elif something called dollar user underscore ID equal to something called 1000. Yes. Okay. Now, then, okay. Echo, you are a EC2, EC2, small EC2 user, that's all. Or else, లేనట్లయితే else, print this statement. So, okay, echo, you are a normal user, that's all. You are a normal user. Yes, read -p. Okay, everything is good, right? That's all. Yes, friends. Is there any mistakes, friends?
FI, sir.
End the
And
FI.
the
FI, sir.
Only FI? not anything, right? Okay, right. So now please observe carefully why I'm specifying else block here. Is there any necessity to write the else block? Yes. Why I'm writing else block? Okay, just wait 1 minute. Control O, press enter button, Control X. Okay, Control O, Control X. Okay, right. Now, what is our script, file name, friends? What is our
Script,
file name?
script 9 dot sh.
Streamline.sh,
SH
streamline.sh.
SCRAPT 9 dot
Nine.
sh. Press enter button. Oh, enter your UID. Yes, I am giving you something called 0. 0 user ID. Press enter button. Hey, you are a root user. If I entered a 0, you are a root user. That's all. Okay. Now again one more time, just script 9 dot sh. Press enter button. Enter your ID 1000. 1000. That means what? First condition satisfied and printed. Output printed on this terminal. But this is what? Second condition. I am checking the second condition. If the second condition satisfied, the statement will be printed on the terminal. Press enter button. Oh, you are a EC2 because the second condition is matching. That's why it is printing 1000. Sorry, ECT user. But again, one more time, boss, SHSCRAPT 9.sh, press enter button. Now I provide something called 1050. This is my user ID. If I provide a 1050, press enter button. Oh, you are a normal user. Okay, like this. That means what? We are checking only two conditions. We are getting three outputs. Yes, because of else block. Because of else block. That means what? Sir, how can I flow the control? How can I get the control flow? Yes, first of all, friends, observe carefully. Just give me 1 minute. I'll explain you everything. 1 minute only. Afterwards, we move to next. Okay, right. Now, yes, echo. Excellent. Right. Now, this is our bash script. But as and when you define user ID here, the memory allocation will be created by operating system inside a RAM. That's all. Inside a main memory boss. Okay. This is what? User ID. Memory location name is user ID. Yes. We are providing a special name for the memory location that is called variable. That's all. This is a memory location name, or you can say variable name. That's all. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. First time, boss, if I entered user ID something called, if I entered user ID something called 0. So 0 comes to this place. Okay, 0 coming to this place. Okay, afterwards, yes, then if I execute the first statement, 0 will be coming to this place, will be storing into this place. Afterwards, the second statement will be executed, if statement. Afterwards, yes, boss, dollar, because of dollar, this will be going to this place. Yes, means what? User ID, yes or no? User ID, yes. Oh, straight away, it is going to that particular memory location, not for any other, no. So this location and take this value immediately. That's all. Take this value immediately. Okay. Take this value immediately and this value will be printed like this. 0. Okay. 0. Again, EQ 0. 0 is equal to 0 na? Yes. ఓకే అది ఎస్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఎకో యు ఆర్ ఏ రూట్ యూజర్. దట్స్ ఆల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ చెకింగ్. సో ద కంట్రోల్ the execution program execution will be stopped and the this statement will be printed on your terminal. Over. The program execution will be stopped and something called this will be printed on the screen. This message, you are a root user message will be displayed on the terminal. That's all. Over. Afterwards, yes, you entered something called 1000, boss, 1000. Second time, yes, this is the first time. Second time you entered 1000 value. Now this 1000 value also will be coming into this area. Okay, that means what, sir? A 0 erased? Yes, erased. That's all. Over. Now 1000 value come to this place. 1000. Okay, 1000. Now the 1000 value, but what is this 1000 value? Yes, first this one 1000 value will be coming to this place. Yeah, first, the program execution starts from the first line onwards only. First line. The program execution start in the first line. Okay, afterwards, this will be 1000 value will be printed. 1000 equal to 0 na? 1000 is equal to 0 na? No. That's why the cursor control come to this area. That's all. Okay, if it is 0, the root user will be printed, but it is not 0, it's coming, cursor will be coming to this area and this statement will be executed right now. Now this dollar symbol again 1000 value will be coming to this place. 1000 equal 1000. Okay, 1000 is equal to 1000. Yes, amma. Oh, yes, definitely. Okay, if 1000 is equal to 1000, yes, amma, then this statement will be printed automatically. Hey, you are a EC2 user. Over. The program execution stopped and the statement will be printed on your terminal. Over. That's all. This is second time. This is second time. That's all. The control flow, the program execution flow. That's all. Okay. Afterwards, sir, no, sir. I entered something called third time. Third time I entered something called, sir, the value 1050, sir. Okay. Yes, immediately. Okay, 1050 value will be coming to in this area. That means what? Now in this place 1000 value will be erased and 1050 value will be placed, will be in this area. That's all. Afterwards, this 1050 value will be coming to this place. The program execution start from the first line only. Oh, understood. Again 1050 coming to this area. Again, boss, 1050 equal to 0 na? Kadu. No. Hare, no. What should I do? N coming to this area. Second condition. Again, 1050 is equal to 1000. 1050 is equal to 1000. No. లేనట్లయితే ఏం చేయాలి? ఓకే. లేదు 1000 అయితే చేయి. ఇందాకేమైంది? ఇది ప్రింట్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద వాల్యూ ఈజ్ అదర్ దాన్ 1000, ప్లీజ్ గో టు ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్. లేనట్లయితే కండిషన్ మ్యాచ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఈ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ చేయి. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఈ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ చేయి. అంటే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ అనేది ఈ విధంగా మనకి జరుగుతూ ఉంది యాక్చువల్గా చెప్పాలంటే. Yes, now let us understand something called else block. So why we are writing else block, friends? Yes, why we are writing else block here? Why?
If both statements are fail,
Both conditions are fail, the else
fail.
block statement will be executed. Yes, remaining people, are you watching? Are you understanding or not? ఏం అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్ మీరు ఈ విధంగా చెప్తే. ఉం? చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. చెప్పాను కదా, ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ 1, పనుందా పని చేసుకోండి, వాచింగ్ చూడండి, లేదా క్లాస్కి వచ్చి మాత్రం మీరు యూనో బాగా అంటే క్రమశిక్షణ ఒకటి ఇంపార్టెంట్. సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే క్రమశిక్షణ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ తర్వాత నీకు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ క్రమశిక్షణ లేకపోతే ఐటీలో ఎక్కడ పనికిరావు. ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్నా తర్వాత ఎప్పుడొకప్పుడు నేను ఫైర్ చేసి పడేస్తారు. No. ఎందుకు అంతే, అది ఐటీ అంతే అంతే. యు ఆర్ ఏ సైన్సిస్ట్ అంతే. ఐటీ జాబ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబ్. ఓ సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబ్, ఓ వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ న్యూ అప్రోచ్ సార్. సైన్సిస్టే మీరు. ఈరోజు ఒక టూల్ మీద పని చేస్తారు, నేర్చుకొని మళ్ళీ ఇంకో టూల్ మీద ప్రయోగం చేస్తారు, మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఇంకో అట్లా 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 మీ లైఫ్ లాంగ్ సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబ్ ఇది. ఈవెన్ డెవలపర్స్, టెస్ట్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అయితే వాళ్ళు సైన్సిస్ట్లే డైరెక్ట్గా. వేరే వేరే టూల్స్ మీద పనిచేసే వాళ్ళు అయితే వాళ్ళు నార్మల్గా అనుకోవచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడో మోడిఫికేషన్. బట్ నౌ డెవలపర్స్ మాత్రం సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబ్ అది. టెస్ట్ ఇంజనీర్స్ సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబే. బట్ యాజ్ అ డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్ నీది కూడా సైన్సిస్ట్ జాబే. ఎందుకు ఎప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి మారుస్తూనే ఉంటాడు. ఎస్, ఆ టూల్ ఈ టూల్ అది ఇది అది ఇది. బట్ ఎనీవే ద ఫార్మల్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ లెనిక్స్ అనేది బేస్ పాయింట్. లెనిక్స్లో బ్యాష్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది బేస్ పాయింట్. ఓకే ఓకే సార్, we are very much easy to understand, sir. No problem at all. But sir, you said very clearly yesterday, exams, grades. Yes, you can also check with the exams and grades, the same model, no problem. So that your mind will be improved. Your mind will be improved very, very easily. Just to give me, okay. Should we write this one? Okay, no problem. We can write that one also, not a problem. For our understanding purpose, because you are very much, understandable thing is what grades, A, B, C, D grades are very, very easy for you. Okay. Right. Okay. Go to this place, boss. Sir, how you write the grades, sir? Simple. How you write the grades, sir? Same program, we can modify grades. Same program, same program. But this is nothing but what? We work with the greater than or equal to symbol. Oh, now equal symbol. Now we are working with the greater than equal symbol. Something called, one moment, boss. Okay, 1 minute. Now you're, yes, are you able to see my screen, friends? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, okay, I'm able to see my screen. Right. Okay. Now, good. Now, understand first. Suppose grade system. Grade. So, A grade, B grade, C grade, and something called C. Okay. Only just two conditions. Okay. Just for understanding purpose, only we check the two conditions A, B. If AB fails, then you will become to C grade. That's all. Over. Okay. Grade A, grade B, grade C. Grade A, grade B, grade C. For your understanding purpose, grade A, grade B, grade C. Okay. So just we, fix this grade A people something called greater than or equal to 90. So greater than or equal to 90. Yes. Okay. Grade B. Okay. Grade B something called greater than or equal to 80. Greater than or equal to 80. Sir, what about grade C? Other than grade 8 or 60 or 50? Yes, something called C grade. That's all. C grade. That means what we are checking two conditions, sir. Only two conditions. Just for your understanding purpose, you are checking with two conditions. Why we are checking two conditions, sir? Because of else if. Else if. Elif. That's all. Elif. So To understand the else if or elif purpose, we are checking two conditions. Okay. That means what we are working with the multiple conditions only. That's all. Okay. Now, how should I develop this program? Yes. How should I write the script? Greater than 90, greater than 80, C grade. That's all. But how can I write this program? Anyone? Start writing this script. This is our, criteria. This is our, theme, aim. But I would like to develop a script. How can I? Same way, the previous program, the previous script is what? Same thing. Yes, friends. How can I? Yes.
Yeah, first line is shebang line, then
Shebang line is over and read is also good. Read. Read hyphen
yeah,
PR.
then yeah,
Afterwards,
and
If
if
dollar,
if dollar
if dollar greater than
if
9,
dollar,
something
let's
called
say
GT,
average,
or average or grade. Okay, no problem. Grade or something grade or
grade,
something called score. Yeah, score 90. Okay, score 90 greater than 90,
hyph
grade A grade score. Only
hyphen
score.
space
G,
hyphen G, space hyphen G,
Score 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 hyphen GE. That's all.
hyphen G,
Afterwards,
space
90.
90,
nine,
Okay, over, I mean. Yes,
90.
90. So now, if if the we entered a score is something called 92 or 93, yes, definitely, you will become a something called A grade student. Okay, now I would like to type the statement something called then. Okay, then if
Then
the score is greater than or equal to 90, then echo, print this statement. That's all.
echo,
Echo, print this statement. Hey boss, you are A grade student. Okay, nice. Just for your understanding, that's all. Okay, now suppose user entered something called 80, 82. Then what should I write something here? Again, one
else
more
if
statement, right?
elif
Elif, that's all. L if Elif something called dollar SCORE GE 80, that's all. G80. Afterwards, friends, then statement, right?
then
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 echo you are a
echo,
B
you
grade
are a B
student.
grade
that's
student.
all. You are a you. So, oh, 1 minute. You are a B grade, B grade student. Yes, excellent. Right. Yes, friends, afterwards, then what should I write, friends?
Else,
Else
echo, you are, else,
Else. Then why should I write else block, friends? Why? What is the
if
reason?
first
if first
things
two
are
condition fails, then it will
fail,
go to
first
else
two
block.
conditions are fail,
Else. If the first condition and the second condition fails, then it comes to else block. Else లేనట్లయితే ఇక్కడికి రమ్మా అమ్మా కర్సర్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి సో ఎకో డైరెక్ట్గా ఎస్ యుఆర్ఏ something called you are a C grade student. That's all. C grade. Just for your understanding purpose, I'm explaining like this. But it is not possible to write this kind of statement in bash script. No, don't. Okay. Just for your understanding, for subject understanding purpose, I have taken this example, friends, because you need to understand if multiple if conditions. Okay, how to write, how to work with a multiple if condition purpose. I have taken this example. Okay, afterwards, friends, directly straight away FI, right? FI. That's all. So end. Okay, good. Now, can we write this program? Then can we write the statements? Okay. Script number 10. Okay, script number 10. Script number 10. Go to this place, Control X. Okay, and Chandu and something. Raghu, okay, explained well. But what about the remaining people sleeping or watching? ఇట్లా ఏం లేదు సార్ అంటారా? ఎస్, రిమైనింగ్ పీపుల్. ఎస్, మల్లేశ్వరి, పాపారావు, రాజేంద్ర,
Yes,
శేఖర్.
sir.
Okay. So, okay, just how can I write the script? Okay, how should I start?
Nanoscript 10.sh.
Nano script SCRIPT
PT 10.sh.
10.sh. Yeah, okay. Okay, afterwards.
After enter shebang line.
Okay, right. Shivang line. Yes. Shivang lines. Okay.
Slash bin bash.
Pin.
Slash bash.
Right, afterwards.
Read minus p.
Read.
Enter
Read.
your minus p.
Minus
Enter your
hyphen P.
Quotations.
Hyphen
Quotations.
P.
enter your user ID.
Enter your user ID. User enter your
Score. Score.
score. Okay, score. Enter your score. SCORE. Right. Afterwards.
Colon.
Colon.
Colon quotation.
Colon. User score.
User score.
User hyphen ID. Scores.
User. ఎవరు కల్పన మాట్లాడేది?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Score.
స్కోర్ అక్కడ
Yes.
యువర్ స్కోర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ స్కోర్.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఓకే, సరే. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్.
If
ఇఫ్
bracket
బ్రాకెట్
dollar
ఎక్సలెంట్ ఆన్సర్. డాలర్.
score
ఎస్ స్కోర్. ఎస్, రైట్ ఆన్సర్. రైట్, ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్.
greater than hyphen GE
గ్రేటర్ దాన్ హైఫన్ జి. ఓకే, హైఫన్ జి.
90
90. ఎస్ 90. రైట్, ఓకే.
bracket close.
బ్రాకెట్ క్లోజ్. ఎక్సలెంట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్.
Then echo
ఎకో.
invert
ఎకో.
You are a A grade.
you are a A grade user.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి.
You are a A grade user.
ఏ గ్రేడ్ స్టూడెంట్.
A
ఏ
grade
గ్రేడ్.
student.
A grade student.
సపోజ్ అప్రైజల్ అప్పుడు కూడా ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఏనో అప్రైజల్ హైక్ ఇవ్వడానికి కూడా ఇలా పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చెక్ చేస్తారు. ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇస్తే సరే, ఓకే. నా ఎకో యు ఆర్
A grade student.
ఏ. That's all, A grade student. Okay. Now what next?
Next elif
Elif.
Elif. Okay, right. Afterwards,
bracket square dollar
dollar is very, very important.
dollar
SCORE
SCORE square
RE
hyphen GE
hyphen GE. Okay,
80
excellent. 80
bracket close.
Okay.
Then echo you are a
you are a
B grade student.
yes, excellent. Okay, you are a B grade. Excellent. Grade STUD student. Right, excellent answer.
Quotations close.
Okay, right. Next.
Else echo
echo
inverted commas you are a
C
B
grade.
grade
అంతే, అయిపోయింది. C
student.
excellent.
Inverted commas close. FI.
So why should I write else block here? Why? What is the necessity to write the else block?
If above two statements fails,
Yes. else block statement will be executed automatically. If the above two conditions fails, the else block statement will be executed automatically. Executed in the sense what? The output will be printed on a terminal. That's all. For this purpose, we are using else block. That's all. If I am not writing else block, then what is the problem, friends?
Not writing.
Nothing. What is the problem? If I entered something other than 80 or a 60 or a 50, you will not get any output, like yes or no? You will not get
Yes, sir.
any kind of
Any
error message. That's all. Any kind of output. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now, is there any difficulty to understand this bash script, friends? Any difficulty? Kalpana? Yes.
No,
No.
sir.
No. Are you able to understand all these things, right? బట్
Yes, sir.
లాస్ట్ 4-5 డేస్ మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి? ఈ రోజు మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి అసలు యాక్చువల్గా? అంటే బ్యాష్ స్క్రిప్ట్ మనం స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? మీరు ఎలాగా ఈ విధంగా చెప్పగలిగారు? మిగతా వాళ్ళకి మీరు ఎలాగా అంటే అసలు వాళ్ళు చెప్పలేకపోతున్నారు వై? మీరు ఎందుకు ఇలా అంటే ఇలా అంటే మొత్తం ఆన్సర్ చెప్పగలిగారు ఎట్లా? హౌ? ఏం చేశారు
సార్
మీరు అసలు? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్
ఏం లేదు
సక్సెస్?
సార్, ఇప్పుడే జస్ట్ చూశాను. కొంచెము అంటే ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉండింది, రాను రాను కొంచెం ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
ఎస్.
అండర్స్టాండ్, ఐ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
ఎలా? హౌ? అంటే అంటే కరెక్ట్గా సబ్జెక్ట్ని క్రమశిక్షణగా వినటం ఒకటి, తర్వాత
ఎస్
ఏం
సార్,
చేశారు మీరు?
సెకండ్ డే నెక్స్ట్ టుమారో ఆల్సో ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ కొంచెం రివిజన్ చేస్తాను సార్ రికార్డింగ్.
ఎస్ 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 దాని వలన మీరు ఏమైందంటే అర్థమైపోయింది మెమరీ లొకేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి,
ఎస్ సార్.
గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సింబల్స్ ఏంటి, లెస్ దాన్ ఏంటి, డాలర్ ఎందుకు ఉపయోగించాలి, ఇట్లా.
ఎస్
ఎస్
సార్.
ఆర్ నో? అవును
ఎస్
కదా?
సార్. ఎస్
ఎస్,
సార్.
ష్యూర్. సో యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్? దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్, ఐటీ ఆర్ నాన్ ఐటీ?
నాన్ ఐటీ సార్.
నాన్ ఐటీ, ఎక్సలెంట్. నాన్ ఐటీ వాళ్ళు కూడా చూసారా అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతున్నారు, రైట్, ఎక్సలెంట్. ఓకే, గుడ్. నౌ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ అవర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ సైడ్. ఓకే, ఎస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, కంట్రోల్ ఓ, ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్ బటన్, కంట్రోల్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ ఎస్హెచ్ ఎస్సిఆర్ఐపిటి.
PT 10.
Yes, Chandu, is there any mistakes in this script, Chandu? Have you read the script?
Yes, sir.
No mistakes, right?
No
Can
mistakes.
Can I proceed? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Press
sir.
enter button. Press enter button. Okay. Enter your score. Something
90.
called
90.
something 90, 93. Suppose if I enter 93. Okay, you are a grade student. Okay. But now one more time, just SHSCRIPT 10.sh, press enter button, friends. Enter your score, something called 80. 83, something called 83. Press enter button. You are a B grade student. Okay, B grade. You are a B grade. One more time, SCRIPT 10.sh. Press enter button. One more time, something called, you entered something called 50. 50. Sorry, 50, only 50. Or something called 60, whatever it is. Press enter button, friends. Now it is telling you, hey, you are a C grade student. This is what? This is which block, friends? Else block.
Else
This is belongs to else block statement, will be executed and will be printed on the terminal. If I am not providing the else block, then go to our script. Go to our script and remove the else block. Suppose remove the else block. In case, suppose, sir, what is the error and how you get this output? Yes, please check one more time. Remove the else block. Remove the else block. Yes, yes, friends, I removed else block, friends. Friends, if I execute the statement, can I get any error or yes, anything wrong? If I execute the script, can I get any error or anything wrong with the script?
No, sir. No errors.
No error, sir. Excellent. Okay, good. Control O, press enter button, control X. Okay, now execute the script. SHSCRIPT 10.sh. Press enter button. Script 10. Press enter button. Enter your score 93. Press enter button. You are a A grade student. Now SCRIPT 10.sh, press enter button. Enter your score 83, press enter button. You are a B grade student. Now SC RIPT 10.sh, press enter button. Enter your score 63, something called 63, press enter button. Hey, what is this nonsense? What is my score? What is my grade? No grade. Why? Because you have not yet specified anything.
Else.
See, if the condition fails, okay, if the condition fails, nothing is there. But because you have not yet written anything, okay, that's why you must specify else block always. Otherwise, student will be in a confusion mode. Hey, what is my grade? Please tell me. What is my grade? Please tell me, like this. Okay, the student will ask you. So now, if the student entered 63 score, definitely you must provide some output, yes or no. For that, you are writing else block. So go to this nano. So nano SCRIPT 10.sh, press enter button. Yes. Now add the else block, friends. Else block, add else block. How you add else block, friends? Else, echo, you
Cigarette
or a
cigarette smell.
C,
Ci-
okay, oh, grade. Excellent. Okay, control O, press enter button, control X, right over. Afterwards, SCRIPT 10.sh, press enter button. Enter your score 63. Okay, now I am getting the output as nothing but you are a C grade student. Okay, you are a C grade student. Like this, you need to work with the else block. Otherwise, you may get confused, boss. Okay, now let's move on. Let's understand something about variables. Yeah, variables. Sir, you understood we understood very well about variables. Why again variables, sir? Yes. So these are all nothing but boss user defined variables. Whatever the variables which we are using right now, nothing but user defined variables. But in case a system defined variables also available, system defined variables also available. But what is the system defined variable? Can you provide a system defined variable name? That is called SCEL. Shell is a system defined variable. That's all. Shell. So, in a first statement in a first bash script, we execute dollar shell. Yes or no? Echo dollar shell. Echo dollar shell. Hi, what is a shell, sir? Shell is nothing but a variable. Okay. Inside this location, we have some data. The data will be printed on this terminal. That's all. But what is echo dollar shell? What is output, friends? Echo dollar shell output. What is the output for echo dollar shell?
It displays the shells.
Slash means slasher.
Echo dollar SHELL. Press enter button. Oh, Babu, you are from Bash. That's all. You are from Bash. Your default environment is Bash. That's all. Born again shell environment. That's all. That means what is a shell, sir? Shell is a variable name. Like this, there are so many variables are available. Echo something called, yes, friends, dollar something called question mark. Oh, what is this, sir? This is one more variable. Okay. Yes, this is one more variable. Dollar question mark. Shell is another. These are all predefined variables. So predefined in the sense what? System defined as well as predefined or user defined. Sir, what is this? All are nothing but, friends, example variables. Now variables like this. Okay, now system define variables, or you can say Predefined variables. That's all. Predefined. That means what? Which is already defined by operating system. That's all. Predefined. Predefined variables. That's all. But what about this, sir? User-defined variables. User-defined. That means what? You are defining. That's all. You are defining. The user is defining. That is also called as user-defined variable. So far, you work with something called user-defined variables. Okay, so far you work with user-defined variables. But in a system-defined variables, one kind of classification is also called as a special variables, special purpose variables. That's all. Special purpose variable. These are all part of something called predefined only. Special purpose variables already defined. Yes. That is also called as a system defined or predefined. Or some people calling as a special purpose variables. Special variables. That variable name is what? Something called dollar question mark. Hare sir, what is a dollar question mark, sir? Special variable name. Okay, nothing but a category, classified, that's all. A system defined or fully defined, classified into some other things called special, that's all. Special means what? Dollar question mark. Okay, dollar question mark like this. Now, okay, understood, sir. Something called, so as previously you seen something called a shell. This comes under system variable, that's all. SHELL, that's all. See, dollar question mark is also a system variable, but we are treating as some special purpose. That's why we are calling as a special variable. That's all. But all are something called user defined. Okay, so far whatever the variables which we have worked so far, that comes under user defined because you are defining, you are working. That's all. User defined variables. Okay, now. Sir, what is the purpose of dollar question mark? Please, can you explain, sir? What is the purpose of dollar question mark? Sir, is it very important, sir? 1000% important. Oh, 1000%. Yes. Very important. We always use with it dollar. Yes, as a DevOps engineer, as a Linux guy, you must know this. Otherwise, confusion. Why the people are using dollar question mark? Yes, you are in confusion mode, boss. Sir, what is meant by dollar question mark? Please explain. What is a dollar question mark? Please explain. Boss, observe carefully. Suppose, observe carefully. For example, M install Java or Docker, whatever, Java or Docker, Java -y. First command, yum install Java, first line statement, right? So afterwards, next statement, Java -version. Java -version. Okay. If the Java -version means what, friends? Whether the Java is available in our machine or not. It is confirmation statement. Yes or no? Why we are using Java -version statement, sir? Confirmation. Yes, the Java is available. That's all. What is this M install Java? Yes, friends. What is the M
To
install
install
Java?
the Java software.
To install Java software.
Install the
Install a
Java
Java.
package.
Install a Java. That's all. Install a Java. Okay. Now, suppose I'm trying, I install a Java. Afterwards, I check the Java -version. Now the Java something called 22 version. Yes, 1.22. But boss, Java is not 22. 1.17, 1.19, 1.21, 1.22, one only. not a 20, but most of the people calling as 22, but it is nothing but one only, 1.22, 1 point something something. Yes, sir. 1, 1.8, 1.7, 1.19, that's all. Okay, that is most of the people calling as Java 22 version. No, that is what, one only, 1.22, that's all. Sir, why you are calling 122 and everything? Yes, will be discussed in a CACD class. Everything I'll display. I will explain each and everything. CACD. Why the people are 1.22.3 dot something? Yes or no? Writing all these things. Okay, this is 1 hour class. Okay, we'll explain all these things. Upcoming session, no problem. But now, friends, executed two statements. I'm getting the result. Okay, now this is what I'm expecting. Right now, friends, the first statement is success. Okay, the second statement success or fail? Success or fail? Next, second statement success or fail? See, first statement success. Success in the sense what? You install a Java software successfully. But what about second statement? Failure?
Success.
Success or failure?
Success.
Ah,
Success.
Success.
success. Not fail, success. Yes. Okay, if the any of the conditions or any of the statements successfully executed, the success information will be stored into some variable. That's all. That means what? Whatever the statement executed successfully, the successful information will be stored inside this place as a 0. Okay, sir. 0 means what, sir? Yes, you boss, your previous command executed successfully. That's why I am storing 0. That's all. I am storing 0. Sir, if this statement fails, okay, jab Java hyphen hyphen version fails, sir. Fail in the sense what? I am not installing the Java software. One moment, one moment, one moment. Yes. Observe carefully. INSTAL. Oh, INSTAL JAVA hyphen Y. That's all. Okay. One. Okay. Second is what? Java hyphen hyphen version. Then what next, friends? Now you tell me, if I execute the first statement, if I execute the second statement, if the second statement success or fail?
Fails.
Why fail?
First statement is wrong. Not
Wrong. Install. INSTALL, but I have written, install. L missing. That's why Java software didn't install. That's why if you try this Java hyphen hyphen version, what happens, friends? Definitely fail. It's not success, sir. No success. Fail only. Okay. That fail information will be storing inside this area. Oh, fail information also will be stored. Yes, fail information is also stored inside this place. But a fail information will be stored a value. Yes, value, but other than 0. Other than 0. Sir, what is the 0 and what is other than 0? Yes, if the system stores 1 to 7 like this statement fails. That's all. If the system stores 0, hey, this statement success. Nothing to worry. Other than 0, fail. 0, success. Sir, a system where it is storing, sir? Please tell me. Yes. As is, the system will be storing in this information inside a memory location. Okay, that memory location having a name, that name called dollar question mark. Oh, this is a variable name, sir. Variable name, dollar question mark. Under this dollar question mark, okay, under this dollar question mark, the value will be storing. So 0 is dollar something called question mark 0 will be storing. Okay, if the statement executed successfully, automatically the system will store the 0 inside this variable. That's all. If the execution fails, if the command execution fails, the system will be storing 1 to 7 in this variable. That's all. Automatic process, not by you. Automatically, the value will be storing inside this place. This place name is memory location. That memory location name is dollar question mark. That dollar question mark called as a predefined variables or a system defined variables or a special variables. That's all. Special. Okay, like this, we work with the dollar. Very, very important. Excellent. Very, very important. Okay, very dollar question mark. Okay, understood, sir. Dollar question. Sir, can I define dollar question mark? No, nowhere. Already defined, already available, boss. Okay, no need to define again and again. Already defined. But how can I work this? Is something called this variable, sir. How can I work this variable? Simple, simple, simple. Suppose I need to check something called this is my Linux mission. Oh, Linux mission. Okay. Suppose I want to check. Uh, Java available or not. First check first. I want to check second software Jenkins installed or not. Second, I want to check third Docker installed or not. Something called. I want to check one more software, something called Ansible install or not. Ansible. I want to check something called Terraform install or like this. I would like to check all the softwares whether the softwares are available in our machine or not. I don't know. First time I provide Java, then the program must understand this input and such a way that display the output. Hey, Java is available, don't worry. If not available, hey, the Java is not available, install now. Like that, I need to display a message to the user. Okay, suppose the same program will be running inside our Linux machine. If I execute the statement, if I execute the program, if I execute the bash script, I can give you Jenkins. Hey, please check Jenkins available or not. Okay, if I provide a Jenkins, the bash scripts will be executed and output will be coming. Hey, Jenkins is not available. Hey, Jenkins is available. Such a way that I need to develop a bash script. If I run this bash script in any server, okay, it is asking like that and it will be displaying the output. That's all. It will be displaying the output. That means what I would like to check the software, whether the a software installed or not. I don't know. Just I run the script and I provide the software name. So inside a Linux machine, we are calling as a package. Okay, package, not a software. Okay, in a Windows environment, we call it as a software. But in a Linux environment, we can call it as a package, Java package, Jenkins package, Docker package, Ansible package, Python package, Terraform package, Kubernetes, like that package. Okay, like that package only. Okay, now something called I would like to check the software is available or not. Software is available or not. Okay, now boss, for example, uh, read read something called p, read hyphen p. Okay, afterwards enter package, enter your package. Okay, amma, enter your package. Yes, you must read this package into variable. That's all. Variable name is what? CAPK package. Yes, just for your understanding purpose, I have taken a package name. That's all. You This is a memory location. Yes, definitely this is a memory location, variable name. That's all. Afterwards, I can write the if statement. If, if, okay, if something called, sir, package is available now? Yes, package is available, no problem. Package is, but how can I check the version, sir? Oh, version. How can I check the version? Yes, friends. How can I check the version? Suppose enter package. Suppose I entered package name Java. Entered package name Java. Yes. Entered package name Java. So now the Java will be coming to in this memory location. That's all. This is package. PACKAG package. Suppose, for example, inside this package variable, we have something called Java is available. Java software is available. That's all. Not Java software. Java, something called, value or data, whatever it is available. But this data will be checked. This data will be checked. How can you check? Something called, hey boss, dollar PACKAGE package hyphen version over. Okay, dollar, something called, what they do, dollar, dollar. So dollar, okay, dollar going to this place, dollar going to this place and take this Java immediately. Take this Java immediately. Yes, now the statements like something called Java hyphen version. Yes, instead of this is what the cursor flow like this only. Okay, so Java hyphen version. So is it success or fail? It is success 0. Fail, other than 0 value will be stored into this area. That's all. Now, where it is storing? Dollar question mark. Oh, dollar question mark is a place where we are storing our command success result. So Java hyphen G version. That means what? It is available 0. It is not available other than 0. That's all. Now, just check with your condition. How you check with this condition? If square bracket dollar question mark is equal to 0 na. Yes. Dollar question mark is equal to 0 na. Amma. Dollar. That means what? Dollar is equal to 0 అంటే ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 0 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. 0 is equal to 0 నా. 0 నే ఎస్. కాబట్టి ఎస్ కాబట్టి ఎకో ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్. ఎల్స్ లేనట్లయితే నో, దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎల్స్ okay, echo the software is not available. That's all. Oh, simple. Are simple? Yeah, very simple. So first of all, we need to understand the flow. Nothing is there. Okay, we need to understand the flow. First of all, we need to understand the flow. Yes, friends, are you understanding, friends? Sir, we are not understanding anything. Yes.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes, remaining.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. So now enter your package name. That's all. Now I entered something called yes, Java. Okay, Java. So this Java value will be coming into this area. This area name is what? Something called
Dollar.
a package. Dollar.
Sorry. Package.
ప్యాకేజ్ ఇది. ప్యాకేజ్ అంటే మనం యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ ఇది. యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ ఇది. దట్స్ ఆల్. సో ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చెప్తాను అంటే, సో Java is available in this place. That's all. Java is available in this place. Right. Now, straight away write the statement like dollar, okay, package, dollar, package, dollar, package. Dollar package means what? The dollar package hyphen VRSI version. So now the cursor will be coming to this place and accessing this value, accessing Java. Okay, take this Java immediately. Java will be coming into this place. That's all. Okay, Java will be printed here. Java. Again, పైన ఏముంది? హైఫన్ ఉంది కదా? ఎస్, సింపుల్గా అక్కడ ఏదైతే జావా ఉందో మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఈ హైఫన్ ఉంది కదా, హైఫన్ వర్షన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోద్ది. హైఫన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయితే ఓకే, సక్సెసా ఫెయిలా వస్తుందా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
అంటే జావా ఉంటే సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది, ఫెయిల్ అయితే జావా లేకపోతే ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. సో సక్సెస్ అయిన వెంటనే 0, ఫెయిల్ అయిన వెంటనే అదర్ దాన్ 0, సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ ఎ వాల్యూ 1 to 7. దట్స్ ఆల్. 1 to 3, 1 to 7. Now, so this 0 value will be storing inside this dollar question mark. 1 to 7 also will be storing inside a dollar question mark. Something called if this statement success, this will be stored 0. If the statement fails, no, not 0, 127 like this, or 123 like this. Yes or no? Dollar question mark is a predefined variable, is a special variable. Okay, if the statement is success, the success value will be 0, will be available in this place. Fail, 1 to 7 is available. Suppose it is a fail or a success, 0 was 0 is available in this place. Or fail, sir, okay, 1 to 3 is available in this area. Now just write a condition like if dollar question mark is equal to 0 na. Oh, yes, dollar question mark is equal to 0 na రాసాం. మనం రాసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాం? డైరెక్ట్గా ఓకే అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్ అలా రాసాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? కర్సర్ ఎక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది? డైరెక్ట్గా వెంటనే ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ రాసాం కదా, ఇలా డాలర్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది వాల్యూ? హౌ మచ్ ద వాల్యూ? 1 to 3. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి పిక్ అప్ దిస్ 1 to 3 value printed in the 1 to 3 value instead of dollar question mark. 1 to 3 hyphen equal to 0 నా? చెప్పండి, 0 నా? నో.
No, sir.
అట్లా. సో ఎస్ ఓకే, ఎస్ అయితే ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రింట్ చేయి. ఎల్స్ లేనట్లయితే ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్లో ఉన్నది ప్రింట్ చేయి. ఎస్సా ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేయి. ఎల్స్ లేనట్లయితే ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ చేయి. ఈ వాల్యూలు ఏం రాస్తాం బాబు? జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్. దట్స్ ఆల్. జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? సక్సెస్ అయితే జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్. బట్ హౌ యూ రైట్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్? ఎవరు చెప్తారు ఇప్పుడు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా? ఎవరు చెప్తారు చెప్పండి? ఎస్, ఎవరు చెప్తారు?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. If the package is available in memory location, it will be equals to 0, otherwise question mark.
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు
Okay,
అదర్వైజ్ కాదు, మీరు ప్యాకేజ్
Mhm.
ఇది మన మెమరీ లొకేషన్, మన యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ వేరియబుల్. ఇది అర్థమైందా?
Okay, sir.
ఇది ఎవరు వేరియబుల్? సిస్టమ్ డిఫైన్డ్.
Predefined.
సో ఈ లొకేషన్లో ఏముంటుంది? జావా ఉంటుంది. ఈ లొకేషన్లో ఏముంటుంది? సక్సెస్ ఆ ఫెయిల్ ఆ మెసేజ్ ఉంటుంది, అవునా?
Okay.
పైన ఏముంటుంది? జావా. కింద
Java.
ఏముంటుంది? జీరో ఆర్
Success or fail.
ఫెయిల్, అంతే. దట్ మీన్స్ సక్సెస్ ఆర్ ఫెయిల్. నేను అందుకనే ఎస్ వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ. వై? బికాస్ దిస్ ఈ కండిషన్తో చెక్ చేస్తే మనకి జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో లేదో తెలిసిపోద్ది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ జావా, పైథాన్, .NET ఏదైనా సరే ఓ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉందా లేదా తెలుసుకోవడానికి నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తున్నాను, అంటే స్క్రిప్ట్ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ క్రమంలో నేను $? వాడేస్తున్నాం. బట్ $? ఎలా అందించాలి ఇన్పుట్ అంటే మనం వర్షన్ చెక్ చేయాలా. వర్షన్ చెక్ చేయడానికి ఏం రాయాలి మనం? జావా హైఫన్ వర్షన్. మామూలుగా
version.
అయితే ఇది రాస్తాం, కానీ
Yes,
అక్కడ
sir.
వాడు ఏమి ఇస్తాడో తెలియదు కదా. డాకర్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, జావా ఇవ్వచ్చు, పైథాన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. అందుకోసం ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ లేదు ఇప్పుడు. ఇది స్టాటిక్ అనమాట. ఇదేంది హార్డ్ కోడ్ వాల్యూ లేదు. అందుకని నేనేం చేస్తున్నా, ఎస్ వీఆర్ డిఫైనింగ్ ఎ వేరియబుల్. ద వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ ఇస్ ప్యాకేజ్. అంటే యూజర్ ఇచ్చిన ఇన్పుట్ అనేది ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అయింది. ఈ ఇన్పుట్ తోటి
Yes, sir.
నేనేమి ఇస్తున్నా, ఇదేంది? ప్యాకేజ్.
Package.
PACKAGE ప్యాకేజ్ హైఫన్ వర్షన్.
Version.
ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Okay.
అర్థం కాలేదా? సో
Yes, sir. I got it.
యూజర్ ఇచ్చిన ఈ జావా అనే లేదు జావా కాదు, డాకర్ ఇచ్చాడు. డాకర్ అనే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉందా లేదా ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ డాకర్ అనే వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. డాకర్. ఈ డాకర్ని ఇక్కడ వీడి తీసుకొస్తాడు. హే ఇక్కడ
Yes, sir.
డాకర్
Package.
హైఫన్
Hyphen
వర్షన్.
version.
అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ కనుక సక్సెస్ అయితే
It
దీని
is
లోపల
available.
0 వస్తుంది. స్టేట్మెంట్ ఫెయిల్
Okay.
అయితే దీని లోపల అదర్ దాన్ 0 వస్తుంది. సో నౌ ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ తోటి బేస్ చేసుకొని నేను ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ పెట్టాలంటే ఇఫ్ రాసి $? ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0నా?
Okay.
ఓకే, ఈక్వల్ టు 0నా అంటే ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటే ఎస్, ఓకే, దిస్ $? కమ్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్, టేక్ దిస్ వాల్యూ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎస్సా? ఎస్సు. కాబట్టి ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్, దట్స్ ఆల్.
Available.
ఎల్స్ లేనట్లయితే ఎల్స్
The package is not available.
the software is not available. That means what? Okay, inside a $? we have a something called other than 0 value. 1 2 3 1 2 7 1 2 it like this. Other than 0 value. If the $? contains other than 0 value, okay, the statement, what is this? Else block statement will be executed. Otherwise not
If
else
the
block.
software is
Yes,
okay.
the software is available.
Okay.
Please go ahead. If the software is not available, something called I can write, hey, if the software is not available, okay, yum install java hyphen y. I can write it like this. This is the next level statement. But simply I'm telling you, I'm explaining you simple statement. Whether the software is available or not. If not available, next we take the next decision. Oh, if they're not available, then we go with the next decision. Oh, Amma, please install a software immediately. Or Amma, download the software immediately. Next level అది. ఈ లెవెల్ కాదు. సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ప్యాకేజ్ ఈజ్ ఎ వేరియబుల్ అండ్ $? ఈజ్ అనదర్ వేరియబుల్. అక్కడ అది, ఇక్కడ ఇది. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు మీకు?
Yes, sir.
క్లియరా?
Clear, sir.
ఇది మీరైనా చేయొచ్చు, పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం కాదు. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం కొన్ని విషయాలు మనం మాట్లాడదాం. ఓకే, సో ఎనీవే ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ మనం వేరే ఏవైనా సరే చూడొచ్చు, లేకపోతే చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
అందరూ కూడా కొంచెం శ్రద్ధ పెట్టాలి. శ్రద్ధ అంటే క్రమశిక్షణ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. సో 2041 ఓకే. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం కొంచెం ముందుకు వెళ్దాం. బట్ ఎనీవే కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్, అదే ఇందాక వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన విధంగా ఒకసారి చూడటం. మరి నాకు సంబంధం లేదు అనుకోకుండా, సో కొంచెం చూడాలి, తప్పదు. నాకు సంబంధం లేదులే, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ రావాలి, సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో అసలు నేను సెట్ అవ్వాలి, ఏదో పెట్టాలి, ఫోటోలు పెట్టాలి, వాట్సాప్ స్టేటస్ పెట్టాలంటే కాదు. నో. అంటే ముఖ్యంగా ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఫ్రెషర్స్కి నేను చెప్పేది ఏమంటే, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో సెట్ కావాలంటే సెలెక్ట్ ద కోర్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ. ఓకే, సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాని వెంట పడాలి అంతే. అది గ్యాప్ అయినా, ఫ్రెషర్ అయినా, ఎవరైనా ఏదో లేదా వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అయినా అంతే. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్, ప్లీజ్ సెలెక్ట్ ద కోర్స్, దాని వెంట పడాలి అంతే. అబ్బా, ఇది టైం ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటుంది. మా ఫ్రెండ్ చెప్పాడు పెగా ఉందంట, పెగా ఎక్సలెంట్గా ఉందంట, పెగాకి వెళ్తాడు. ఎవడరా చెప్పింది, పెగా లేదు ఏం లేదు. ఎస్ఏపిలో ఎస్డి అనే మాడ్యూల్ ఉంది, ఎస్ఏపిలో ఎస్డి పిచ్చి పడుతుంది. ఎస్డి మొన్న మా వాడు దాదాపుగా ఎంతరా, వాడు దాదాపు 25 lakhs వా ఎస్డి నేర్చుకున్నాడు, 25 lakhs కొట్టాడు. ఓ అట్లొచ్చాడా? ఆ టైం వెంటనే మనం గో టు ఎస్డి.